Hello, it's your girl Mary Fidelis back with a new video. To the returning subscribers, welcome back, and to the new subscribers, welcome to this amazing channel, and I hope you enjoy the content. Please remember to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing the videos. And remember, aim to be mentally healthy. Today, we have a special episode. It's all about uncovering hidden talents, recognizing your skills, and finding ways to monetize them. We are going to accomplish this in 4 challenges. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment. Challenge number 1 is all about unleashing your hidden talents. We all possess unique abilities that we may not even realize. Today, I dare you to explore those talents and bring them to the forefront. We often underestimate ourselves, so today, we are going to challenge that notion. Take a moment to think about what you're good at. It could be anything from cooking different cuisines to playing different musical instruments or even making people laugh. The first step is self-reflection. Take a moment to think about your hobbies, passions, and activities that bring you joy. What are you naturally good at? Grab a pen and paper and jot down your thoughts. List down your hobbies, interests, and any skills you think you might have. Don't be shy, let your imagination run wild. Step 2 is skill evaluation. Assess your list and identify the skills that stand out the most. Consider your strengths and interests. This evaluation will help you identify the skills you can potentially monetize. Now that you have your list, it's time for step 3, seeking feedback. Reach out to your friends, family, or even colleagues and ask them what they think you're good at. Their perspective might surprise you and reveal talents you never knew you had. Challenge number 2 is all about researching and exploring your market. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to find out how you can monetize them. Brush up your books and fire up your laptop and researching your market. Understanding the demand for your skills is essential to find the right monetization opportunities. Let's dive into the world of opportunities. The first step is conducting a market analysis. Look for similar skills or services online and see how others are monetizing them. Are there any platforms where people are offering their services? Take notes and gather insights. Step 2 is niche identification. Find a unique angle or specialization within your skill set that can set you apart from the competition. It could be a 1. Specific style of cooking like baking, roasting, grilling, etc. 2. A genre of music, for example classic, R&B, rap, reggae, etc. Or 3. A particular art form. Step 3 is identifying your target audience. Who would benefit the most from your skills? Are there specific demographics or niche markets you can cater to? Knowing your audience will guide your monetization strategy. Step 4 is exploring monetization platforms. Research online platforms, marketplaces, or websites where you can showcase and offer your skills. Challenge number 3 is all about building your personal brand. Creating a strong brand identity will help you stand out in the competitive world of skill monetization. Once you've figured out how you want to monetize your skills, it's time to establish your online presence and create a brand that reflects your talents. First step is to come up with a catchy name and design a logo that represents your brand. Think about what you want to convey and how you want people to perceive your skills. Step 2 is defining your brand values. What do you stand for? What sets you apart from others? Identify your unique selling points and incorporate them into your brand identity. Step 3 is designing your brand assets. Create a captivating logo, choose a color palette, and select fonts that reflect your personality and the skills you offer. Consistency across all platforms will strengthen your brand image. Step 4 is creating an online presence. Set up social media accounts, a website, or even a YouTube channel dedicated to showcasing your skills. Share your work, engage with your audience, and create a community around your brand. Challenge number 4 is all about implementing monetization strategies. It's time to turn your skills into a sustainable source of income. Step 1 is offering services or products. Determine how you can package your skills into valuable offerings. It could be 1. Providing coaching sessions, 2. Creating digital products, or 3. Offering specialized services. Step 2 is collaborating and expanding. Seek opportunities to collaborate with other professionals or businesses in complementary fields. This can help you broaden your reach and tap into new markets. Congratulations! You've completed the challenges and unlocked your potential for skill monetization. Remember, knowing your worth is just the beginning. With determination and perseverance, you can transform your skills into a fulfilling and profitable journey. So go out there, embrace your talents, and dare to know your worth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on mental health, well-being, and personal development. If you have any questions or you would like to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Together, we can create a supportive community and break the stigma surrounding mental health challenges. I hope we will be seeing each other on the next video, but until then, peace out.